Hello all! Today we are making a quick and delicious snack that goes by the name carrot cheese roll. It starts with some grated carrots, some salt for desiccation, mix well and let it rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rinse out the excess water from the carrots by gently pressing the carrot and salt mixture. Transfer the dried and grated carrots in a bowl. Then add grated cheese in the same quantity as that of the grated carrots. Then add some oregano, some red chilli flakes along with some grated garlic, and lastly add in butter. Give it a good mix and move on to the next step, which is flattening the bread. Take a crust-free bread slice, flatten from all sides with the help of a rolling pin. Then spread a generous amount of butter evenly. Then spread the prepared mixture on the bread. Be careful not to spread a lot on the bread as it might overflow while baking. Roll the bread as shown and gently press the sides to seal the bread. Then cut it into pieces of desired sizes. Place the pieces onto a baking tray and brush it with some melted butter. Bake it for 12 to 14 minutes at 180 degrees in a preheated oven. And there you have your new favorite carrot cheese rolls ready for you. Have it at tea time or just whenever you are hungry. Enjoy, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking.